Dad, I should come up here. Okay, I want to say that this has been a beautiful evening. Thanks to my mom and everybody else helping and giving special thanks. After all the hard work, because as you can see, it looks amazing. And I wanted to say that Elizabeth and Brian, over the past 4 years, have been so cute together and adorable, and all of us have known they're going to get together. And now they're officially married, and they're just as adorable and cute as they were in the beginning. And I want to say that I have one of the most wonderful sisters ever. She's been an older sister, and she's been such a great example. And her marriage is such a great example for me. And I just want to say thank you. And Brian, I want to say that you've been an amazing and caring and wonderful and thoughtful guy.
Who's lying to you?
And that you two are so great together. And give you my best wishes, Godspeed, love you, and good luck.
Yeah!